session. So again, 2 centimeters each side ng ating star. So you have 2 centimeter. This side, another 2 centimeters. This side, another 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. And then 2 centimeters. So in short, in every side of a of a star is equivalent to 2 centimeters. Yan yung measurement natin. Now remember, if we're looking for the perimeter, we're actually measuring yung shape, yung around the shape of the polygon. Okay, that is what we are looking for. That is the meaning of perimeter. Now, because we already have the measurement, okay, given na po yung measurement ng ating polygon ha, all you just have to do is to solve lang. Now, the formula for the polygon is actually easy because we will just add lahat ng measurement na meron tayo. Again, we will just add the measurements ng ating polygon. Lahat ng measurement, lahat ng sides niya. So, i-add lang po natin yan siya. So, P stands for perimeter. And, check natin, ilang 2 centimeters pa meron tayo sa stars. Can you count? Sige nga. Try to count it. Oh, wag lang muna 10. Are you sure it's 10?
20.
20? 20 ba? Check nyo.
10.
10. Okay. So, this is 10 because we have 10 sides times what is our measurement for each side?
2.
Okay. 2. Don't forget the centimeter. Okay. The centimeter there is what we call the unit of measurement, or para mas madali niyo ma-remember, isipin nyo lang na siya yung apelyido natin. Okay, apelyido ni 2. So, for example, di ba, pangalan ko is Donna, apelyido ko is Silva. So, dito naman sa measurement natin, pangalan niya si 2, apelyido niya si centimeter. So, don't forget the centimeter. Okay? Sige. Now, ito lang po yung gagawin natin. So, remember ha, saan nga natin nakuha si 10? Where did we get 10?
From how many centimeters the star has?
Okay, or in short, these are the numbers of sides, okay, na meron tayo sa ating polygons. So, ilang sides ba meron yung ating polygon? That is 10 sides. Okay, and then yung 2 centimeter naman, yan yung measurement natin for each side. Now, hindi lahat, not all the time, 10 lahat yung number ng sides natin. Not all the time then na equal lahat ng sides natin. So, hindi siya applicable for all. Only for those equal sides lang po. Okay? Now, solve natin. Multiply natin. 10 times 2. What is the answer?
20.
That is 20. Apelyado ni 20?
Centimeters.
And that is our perimeter. Any question?
None so far.
Are you sure
None.
lang tanong? Sige, let's have another one. How about if we have the given rectangle? Ito si rectangle. Not all sides are equal for rectangle, right? Okay. So, ito yung gagawin natin. This side, the left and the right, equal. Diba? Then si top and si bottom, equal. Now, try to check our lines dyan sa ating polygon, which is rectangle. Tignan nyo yung lines, di ba? Sa left and right, isa lang po yung line na nilagay ko. Sa top and sa bottom, yung nasa taas at saka nasa baba, dalawang lines yung nilagay ko. That is actually an indication na ito pa lang sa left and si right, pareho yan sila ng measurement. And then ito si top and si bottom, pareho din sila ng measurement. Okay? So, yan yung tatandaan nyo ha. That is one of the sign also na mag-determine na sila pareho ng measurement. Ito sila pareho ng measurement. Okay? Now, for example, nagbigay tayo dito ng 5 meters sa left. What is the measurement of our right?
5
Very good. 5 meters also. Kasi nga, di ba, pareho sila. Eh si top, anong measurement ni top? 5 meters din ba?
No.
No. So, wala
No.
pa tayong measurement kay top at saka kay bottom. Kasi wala pa naman ako nilagay. But, hindi po 5 meters yung sagot nila or yung measurement nila. Kasi they don't have the same number of lines na nilagay, which is an indication na same ng measurement. Okay? Now, if I give you here a 10 meters, what is the measurement of our bottom?
10.
That is also
10.
10 meters. Okay, nakuha ba? Do you get it?
Yes.
Okay, so yan yung one way of indicating how to identify the measurement. Kasi maybe soon, ang ilalagay ko lang is yung 5 meters lang sa left and then 10 meters sa bottom. So kayo yung hahanap yung nasa top at saka nasa right. Okay? So, yan yung tatandaan natin. Sige. Now, for the formula. Okay? Tingnan natin. Okay. Remember, yung top and nasa bottom, that is what we call the length. Okay? Length. That is our L. Okay? Length means yung haba natin. Okay? Yung gano'n siya kahaba. That is length. And because we have the length here, what is our the representation of 5 meters? Ano yan sila? Part ng rectangle.
Width.
Very good. That is our width. Okay? So, W po natin to sila. W. Width. So, kung gaano siya kapal, gaano siya kalawak, okay, that is our width. So, if we have the rectangle, okay, same pa rin po yung gagawin natin. I-add lang lahat natin ng numbers. Okay? So, we have here, start muna tayo kay length. So, meron tayong 10 meters plus another 10 meters plus 5 meters. Punta tayo kay width, 5 meters plus 5 meters. So, as you can see, ang ginawa natin is length, width, width. Okay? So, yan po yung ginawa natin. I-add natin yung isang length. I-add naman natin yung isang length na naman. I-add natin yung isang width at saka yung isang width. So, in short, i-add lang natin lahat ng sides. So, if we will add this one, sige nga, try natin. 10 plus 10?
20.
20 plus 5?
25.
Plus 5, another 5?
30.
30. Very good. And what is our apelyido? Last name?
30 meters.
Meters. Okay, or our unit of measurement. So, 30 meters is our perimeter. Any question? May tanong? There is also a very known formula for this one, but I don't want you to memorize formula in perimeters kasi baka malito kayo pagdating natin sa area. But there is actually a tawag yan, a formula for this one, which is P is equal to 2L plus 2W. So, dalawang L plus dalawang W. So, in short, yun din pa rin yung ginawa natin sa taas. Okay? But this is actually their formula. Yung P is equal to 2L plus 2W. Okay? I-introduce ko lang sa inyo yung formula niya. Kasi baka lalabas ito when you reach grade 5. Ang ginawa lang natin dito is nag-add lang po tayo, which is similar pa rin sa ating formula. Okay, para hindi na kayo mag-isip ng mga formula. A question? May tanong ba? Sige, let's try another one. Let's try pentagon. Okay, let's try pentagon. Okay. Sige. As if tayo, so for example, etong si roof and si roof at saka etong si base natin. Those are similar, have similar measurement, which is, let's say, ang measurement nila is 7 meters. And then, ito namang si slant left and si slant right, same din sila ng measurement, let's say, around 8 meters. Okay, sige nga, kayo nga, hanapin nyo yung perimeter natin. Find the perimeter of our pentagon. Sige, you try. Okay. So, sabi niya, bakit ang multiplication yung ginamit natin sa star? Kasi mas madali siya eh. Kaysa naman sa mag 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters, di ba? Mahaba masyado. So, we just make it into short way where multiply lang natin kung ilang space yung meron. Okay, yan yung gagawin nyo kapag more than 8 na po yung spaces at sides natin. Lalong na kapag magkapareho lang po ng sides. But if hindi sila magkapareho ng sides, of course, different yung ating gagawin. Again, kung sino yung magkapareho ng number of lines dyan sa polygon natin, sila yung magkapareho ng measurement. Okay, let's try. Let's try to answer the third polygon. So, let's find the perimeter of our third polygon, which is actually a pentagon. Fill in the missing measurements. So, dito tayo start. What is the measurement of this part? Anong measurement natin?
7 meters.
7. Very good. That is 7 meters. How about dito sa baba natin?
7.
7 also. How about dito sa gilid?
8
meters. Very good. Okay, so we identify according to the numbers of their lines para malaman natin kung magkapareho. Now, i-add po natin yan sila lahat. So, start muna tayo kay 7. So, we have 7 meters. So, tatlong 7 meters plus 7 meters. Pwede din unahin yung sa 8 meters ha. Pareho pa rin po yung sagot. Then, dalawang 8 meters. Okay. Now, try natin. So, 7 plus 7 plus 7. What is the answer? Tatlong 7. That is?
21.
21. Mag-add ng 8. Plus 8? 29. Plus 8?
37.
37. Very good. And what is our apelyido? Our unit of measurement? It's meters. Very good. Okay, nakuha na ba? Do you get it now? A question?
None.
Sure ba lang tanong? Clarification? Sige, kung wala lang tanong, then I guess that's all for today. Hi, minasang sayonara.